Are you looking?
In recent years, the demand for automatic espresso machines has surged as coffee lovers seek convenience and quality in their daily brews. Whether you're a busy professional or a home barista, these machines cater to all preferences with built-in grinders, milk frothers, and easy controls. This guide evaluates top models based on grinding efficiency.
List number: DeLonghi Rivelia Automatic Espresso Machine with grinder and milk frother.
All-in-one coffee maker, hot and iced latte. The DeLonghi Rivelia stands out as an all-in-one powerhouse designed for coffee aficionados who love versatility. Featuring a built-in conical burr grinder with adjustable settings, it delivers freshly ground coffee every time. The advanced milk frother effortlessly creates rich, creamy foam, perfect for lattes and cappuccinos, both hot and iced. Its sleek stainless steel design not only looks premium, but is built to last. The machine's intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies drink customization, making it suitable for beginners and experts alike. With easy cleaning options and a large water tank, the Rivelia offers excellent value.
List number: KitchenAid Fully Automatic Espresso Machine KF7 with milk attachment, KES 8557JP, Juniper. KitchenAid's KF7 model combines elegant design with robust performance, boasting a striking juniper finish that adds a pop of color to any kitchen. This fully automatic espresso machine features a professional-grade grinder and a steam wand milk attachment, offering precise control over texture and temperature. Its user-friendly display lets you personalize your espresso or cappuccino with ease. Though compact, the KF7 does not compromise on power or quality, delivering consistent, rich espresso shots. Its durable build and straightforward maintenance routine. List number: KitchenAid Fully Automatic Espresso Machine
KF6 KES 8556PL Porcelain White. The KitchenAid KF6 impresses with its minimalist porcelain white finish and streamlined design, perfect for modern kitchens. Equipped with an integrated grinder and milk frothing system, it offers smooth and flavorful espresso drinks with minimal effort. But KF6 excels in delivering consistent temperature control, ensuring every shot is rich and aromatic. Its easy-to-navigate interface and customizable settings allow users to tailor their coffee experience precisely. Although it lacks some advanced touchscreen features found in pricier models, the KF6 offers excellent value for those seeking a dependable, stylish, and straightforward auto.
List number:
Ninja Espresso Machine and Drip Coffee Maker Luxe Cafe Premier Series Integrated Coffee Grinder. Ninja's Luxe Cafe Premier Series brings remarkable versatility by combining an espresso machine and drip coffee maker in one. It boasts an integrated coffee grinder with multiple settings, allowing users to grind beans fresh for each brew. This machine shines in offering both rich espresso shots and smooth drip coffee, catering to diverse coffee preferences. The built-in frother creates barista-quality milk foam for lattes and cappuccinos. Its large water reservoir and smart interface simplify operation